this drowning love. Had to breathe in this drowning love. Found your cologne, reminds me of Greece when you loved me the most. It's too hard to cope. Remember the nights that we spent on the coast. I held on to hope, 'cause I didn't know you would leave me alone. You're watching me go, you're watching me go. I stay awake every night 'cause it hurts how I miss you, but I stay when you treat me rough. Hold my breath, but it's not enough. I've been so anchored in loving you, I forgot how to. Had to leave when you treat me rough. Had to breathe in this drowning love. Had to breathe in this drowning love.
When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal love, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky, let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. An emptiness so vast yet so complete. It makes me feel so small standing on my feet. Just a speck of life, so discreet. Nothing really matters, it's a deceit. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. Oh, if only we could understand the breath. It's possible that we may never know the depth. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now, in the Milky Way. In the Milky Way. It's passing so fast that you'll miss it if you blink. So now watch out. There's a billion stars right on the brink of now.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.